Hi, my name's Andrew and I'm standing next to the 2013 Ford Explorer. The Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in America. It's versatile enough to go hiking over the weekend, to tow your boat, and roomy enough for the whole family. The 2013 Ford Explorer is a great-looking SUV. The muscular hood extends and leads your gaze around the wheels and follows through to the indented lines on the side of the SUV. At the rear, you have a chrome liftgate accent with embossed Explorer logo, giving it a nice upscale look at the rear. You'll find in the Explorer that comfort is second to none, and you'll always have more room for friends and family. The Explorer delivers that comfort in the form of optional leather-trimmed, heated, and cooled front bucket seats, available push-button start with keyless access, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with 5-way controls. The optional dual-pan moonroof offers great views above and creates a feeling of openness. Another useful feature available is the power folding seats for the third row, accessed with just the push of a button. And once you fold down the second row, the Explorer gives plenty of cargo space with an amazing 80 cubic feet. Ford works extremely hard to stay ahead in the technology and in the entertainment sector, and nowhere is that more apparent than in the 2013 Ford Explorer. The available voice-activated Sync with My Ford Touch system gives you easy access to your phone calls, music, and navigational needs. Using steering wheel controls and voice commands, this system will help you keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Another impressive feature is the optional Active Park Assist, in which your Explorer will literally parallel park itself with very little input from you in under 23 seconds. Optional on the Explorer is the impressive 4-wheel drive with terrain management system, which allows you to easily shift on the fly into one of 4 settings to match the road you're driving on. The Explorer nameplate has always taken safety seriously, and that's why when designing the 2013 Explorer, they used only lightweight, high-tech materials to make this vehicle as safe as any that Ford has ever made. The Explorer really illustrates its safety prowess with the optional Bliss system. This technology warns you of cars that are in your blind spot, helping you make safer lane changes on the highway and the city. There's good reason why the Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in America for so many years, and this year's Explorer is not a break from that pattern. So come down and see us and check out the 2013 Ford Explorer.
At Pat Milliken Ford, our people make the difference, and their commitment to our customers is the reason we've won Ford's President's Award for Excellence in Customer Satisfaction for 15 years in a row. Shop for your next vehicle at Michigan's leader in customer satisfaction, Pat Milliken Ford, on Telegraph Road, south of I-96.